Google uses Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides to create different projects whether for you or your students. To find these options, click in the new box inside Google Drive. You'll see 3 or 4 choices, but if you click more, it will give you all of the choices available to you. Everything that I show you will function the same in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, but I'm going to demonstrate in Google Docs. So to create a new file, click on the file you want to open. The first thing you'll want to do is give your project a name. To name a file in Google, you're going to click in the top left corner where it says Untitled Document, backspace over, and give your file a name. Then you can go ahead and begin creating whatever it is that you need to create, just like you normally would in tools such as MS Office. Some cool features that Google has is your ability to share. And when you share, you can choose to share as a collaborator, a viewer, or a commenter only. When I click on the share option, you see some different choices. It also gives you little blue boxes with additional information in it to help. The basic features I'm going to show you is if you want to share a file with somebody, click on the file, and then choose the name. If you do not see the name, you can type in the name that you want. The message is optional, but you can let them know what this file is for. Editing rights are important. On the far right-hand side, you'll see the drop-down menu. Viewer means that the person can only look at your document. They cannot make changes. They can also make a copy if they want to, but they cannot change the original. Commenter means that they can view your document and make comments, but they cannot make editing changes to your file. Editor means they have full rights to make changes to the file. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and then click Send. At this time, the item is shared with you and the people you've shared it with. A cool feature that I really like about Google is the version history. Under any of the 3 files that you can use, Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, click on File and go down to Version History and see Version History. On the right-hand side, any changes that are made to this file will be documented. It will also identify who made those changes. And as you can see here, you see my name. If I had multiple editors in this file, you would see all of their names and identify all of the changes that were made. If you want to leave comments on a file, if you're working collaboratively with others and you want to make a comment, you can highlight the area you want to comment, and a little box appears on the right-hand side. If you click at that box, you can make a comment about that particular item. You can leave a comment just by typing. You can send an email to that person by clicking the @ sign and then typing their email address. Their name will populate, and then you write your note. This will send an email to the person, and the message will appear on this document as well. If you're working with a team and you have different assignments, you can choose to assign it to a particular person as well. Click Comment, and that comment is posted. As you continue to type more information and add more comments, you'll see a list of items on the right-hand side of different comments. If you want to know where this particular comment belongs, you click on it, and it will highlight the text that you've highlighted to go along with that comment. Once this comment is resolved, you click Resolve, and they go away. These are the basics of how to use Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. And it has many more features, but this is a great way to get you started. When you're done with your file, simply close it out by clicking the X, because it saves automatically when you're working in Google Docs. Oh, one last thing I want to show you. If you click on File, you can make available offline. So if you're needing to go somewhere and you're not going to have internet, you can make this file available offline. You can work on it, and then when you get back online, it automatically updates that file.